Respect for the environment ensures a sustainable future for all. Here are 10 habits to promote a healthier environment. Number 1. Recycling. Proper recycling reduces waste and conserves resources. Familiarize yourself with local recycling rules. Number 2. Sustainable living. Eco-friendly choices protect the environment. Choose sustainable products and reduce waste. Number 3. Reducing carbon footprint. Lower emissions help combat climate change. Limit energy use and consider renewable energy sources. Number 4. Conscious consumption. Buy only what you need. Opt for products with less packaging and longer lifespans. Number 5. Planting trees. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and provide habitats for wildlife. Plant trees in your yard or participate in local planting events. Number 6. Saving water and electricity. Conservation reduces demand for resources. Fix leaks, turn off lights, and use energy-efficient appliances. Number 7. Supporting green energy. Renewable energy reduces dependence on fossil fuels. Consider solar panels or choose a green energy supplier. Number 8. Using public transport or carpooling. Fewer cars on the road means less pollution. Use public transport, cycle, walk, or carpool when possible. Number 9. Avoiding single-use plastics. Plastic waste harms the environment. Number 10. Use reusable bags, bottles, and containers.